Hey there, aspiring animators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how you can bring your voice to life with animation. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's search for Adobe Express Animate Your Voice. Now, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Adobe Express website, click on Start Now to begin. Here, you can either record your voice or upload an existing audio file. I'll choose this audio file here. Once you've selected your audio, click on Open to proceed. Now, choose any character you'd like to animate. Let's give it a minute to work its magic. Simply click on Download. That's it for today's tutorial, folks. If you enjoyed learning how to animate your voice, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more animation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.